it is winter season. Woohoo! That means it's wonderful time of the year. Yes! Well, happy holidays to everybody. And I'm sure many of you are celebrating various holidays. And of course, this is a special time to especially spread the love around us. I'm sure we're spreading the love every single day, but especially at this time. I mean, we love the holidays. That's what I'm trying to say. But for our skin, not so much as the humidity drops to almost 10% throughout the cold winter season. So prolonged periods of cold winter reduce the amount of moisture in the air, which leads to what? Drying of the skin, dry face, dry hands, dry lips, you name it. So here is part 1 of winter skincare tips with our Atomy products, plus other tips that I will be showing you for optimum skincare results and for your routine on part 2 sometime in the near future. So as you can see here, season weather has a significant impact on the level of skin dryness and skin irritation. That's why some people deal with skin sensitivity and dryness during winter more often than the summertime when it's warmer. Therefore, this means that your skincare routine should be adjusted to combat seasonal skin problems, right? Dry, chapped skin. They feel very rough and patchy, and it can be very difficult to clean and maintain its health because it's more susceptible to infection. So, what do we need to do in this case? Well, as you can see, to alleviate the effects of dry and rough skin, spraying mist isn't enough, or applying lotion. That's not enough either. So, what do you need to do? You have to continuously apply protective and restorative creams on a daily basis. This is essential, everybody, okay? This is the real deal. Prevention is far better than cure, as we all have heard of. So, apply before you reach to the point where your skin has the appearance of fine wrinkles or scaly and patchy skin. Because take a look at this. So creams are specifically driven to form a protective layer on the surface of the skin to help you be protected from the dryness during the cold winter season. And they can also act as a barrier or a wall to reduce direct contact with certain types of contaminants to help retain natural lipid and moisture levels in the skin. So this means that this will also improve comfortness for the skin and give strength for the skin barriers. They can be the protectors of external factors that may come. So applying creams can be crucial step to your immediate solution to your winter skincare stress. So when should you apply this? This should be applied before you go out into the cold, dry air to protect yourself, and also after to restore your skin at the end of the day before you go to sleep. This should be applied after applying all of your other skincare products. With consistency, creams can help replenish and improve skin strength and prevent skin from dryness or damage. Now we have various creams here in Atomy, so let's take a look at different creams that we have here. First is our Absolute Nutrition Cream. Who's using this? Raise your hand. Woohoo! All right. Well, for nutrition creams in general, they are very well known for their effects on our skin, and they have these great nutritional benefits for our skin as it contains carotenoids, tocopherols, variety of plant extracts that have been reported to contain antioxidant properties and have been used in the skincare industry for a very long time, which will give you a youthful skin appearance. So, Absolute Nutrition Cream, it's perfect for those who have dry skin. You know, dry skin tends to have less production of sebum or even no sebum production, which sebum act as a barrier from environmental factors. So dry skin especially needs to apply creams which can act as a synthetic sebum to retain the moisture and also add a thick protective layer from environmental influences. Also, as we get older, our skin gets thinner as much as we don't want it to get thinner. It produces less collagen and elastin, which means it doesn't repair itself as well. It's not as plump anymore or moist. This means that we'll accentuate our expression lines and also have our wrinkles stick around. It's never a bad idea to incorporate nutrition cream that prevents and treats signs of aging. So we literally call this Absolute Nutrition Cream because it focuses on providing vitamins and wide variety of nutrients that our skin needs for antioxidant properties, which protects the skin from free radicals. The main ingredient that's in our Absolute Nutrition Cream, as you can see, is called Camellia sinensis leaf water extract, which helps to reduce inflammation, also rich in skin hydration. Also, it nourishes the skin. Not only that, this plant is rich in antioxidants. So antioxidant and anti-aging go hand in hand. Antioxidants help inhibit free radical production and thus protect cells from damage, which can cause premature aging. So it will really help us keep our skin from aging. On top of that, our Absolute Nutrition Cream focuses on lifting and firming your skin. You can use this as a massage cream before you go to bed, since massage can release tension and relax the muscles. You can utilize this nutrition cream as a massage cream right at your home to reduce the appearance and development of wrinkles, increase blood flow and water excretion to help cell regeneration, support elasticity by firming your skin, leaving your skin feeling smoother and looking younger. Who doesn't want that, right? Wow, come on, you won't believe the price. How much is it for 50 milliliters of this nutrition cream goodness? It's only $37 in US dollars plus tax. And how many PV? You tell me. 20,800 PV. Is this real, you ask? It is real. Oh my goodness. Take this advantage. Okay, use the products and gain the benefits of receiving PV, accumulating PV to receive cash back commission in the future. Next, we have Absolute Spot Out Cream. This Absolute line in general, it really focuses on a special issue, especially with anti-aging. In this case, this Absolute Spot Out Cream, it focuses on healing aging spots, discoloration, freckles, etc. So it's a special care for those who deal with those various problems with spots, aging spots. As you can see, this can be a replacement for Absolute Nutrition Cream. So you can choose one or the other, whatever you prefer, depending on your skin type. If you're longing for intensive spot care, this is the one for you. So Absolute Nutrition Cream and Absolute Spot Out Cream, they're interchangeable. I'll go over this on a separate video of this specific Absolute Spot Out Cream and also Absolute Spot Out Essence. But do know that this cream has 6 mechanisms that cares for the spots from the very top layer of your skin, the surface of your skin, which are instantly toned up, but also even to the deepest layer of your skin, which will care and work. But also it will really work even to the deepest layer of your skin to stop the spread of melanin within the skin layers. So this is amazing. This is an amazing product. And in this product, we have a special ingredient. It's one of the main ingredients called niacinamide. This is just a famous ingredient for skin immunity. Niacinamide helps build keratin. It's a type of protein that keeps your skin firm and healthy. So this is really, really important for our skin. And it also helps protect the skin cells from sun damage. This is another thing that we have to be mindful about. This means that as we are exposed to the sun on a daily basis, even in the winter time, okay, by being exposed to those UV rays, harmful UV rays, we're more prone to have spots on our skin, which means that this ingredient will really keep us protected from those harmful UV rays that we may be exposed to. Plus, we also have green tea water extract. In green tea water extract, they have tocopherol, which is rich in antioxidants. On top of that, we also have what's called alpha-bisabol. It's a special ingredient that suppresses melanin production, especially from the UV rays. We also have Pattaya extract, which helps fight the signs of aging. For this 50 milliliter Absol Spot Cream, it's only $35 in US dollars. How many PV? 19,500 PV. Oh my goodness. You have to try this. You will love it. I'm sure many of you are like, what is the difference between Absolute Nutrition Cream and the Fame Nutrition Cream? Because they do look pretty similar. In reality, they pretty much do the same job, but it really goes down to the texture and your skin type. Atomy Nutrition Cream, what that really is, it can be really effective for dry skin, extremely dry skin, and anti-aging, de-aging. For those who have mature skin, who are longing for younger skin, the Absolute line, it really focuses on intensive skincare, intensive anti-wrinkles, extreme dryness. It's filled with rich texture and rich nutrients. So this means that the Fame Nutrition Cream is more subtle. Because Absolute Nutrition Cream has the lifting code plus highly concentrated natural ingredients, this can be a little bit stressful for those who have sensitive skin, stressful on the skin. It might not be suitable for some sensitive skin. So you want to go ahead and use the mild ingredient base, which is the Atomy, the Fame Nutrition Cream. When I say the mild ingredients, I'm not saying that the Absolute Nutrition Cream has strong ingredients. Is when you especially have highly concentrated ingredients for unhealthy skin, it's like this. When your stomach hurts, you have stomach problems, and someone asks you to eat steak because it's rich in protein and it'll give you good energy, your answer would be, no, my stomach is not feeling very well. I want to have something that's more subtle, right? Like chicken noodle soup to make you feel better. That's what I'm trying to say. I hope I don't know if that analogy made sense to you, but your skin, when it's sensitive, you're more stressed out and you don't want to cause more stress to your skin. So it can actually make you break out, give you more symptoms, more irritation. So you want to avoid that and make your skin healthier, in healthier condition. Then you can go ahead and use the Absolute Nutrition Cream for its function. So the Fame set, who's it for? It'll be great for those who have sensitive skin, combination skin, for those who have disrupted skin barrier. On top of that, it has the famous ceramide. This is an abundance amount. And this nutrition cream also will give you a whitening effect, an anti-aging nutrition cream. Also, it has the famous ceramide ingredient in here. All right, look at this, look at this. Okay, so ceramide. Okay, this is the one who protects and makes a strong skin barrier. So this means if you have a weak skin barrier, you're prone to have more sensitivity due to the risk of external factors entering into the skin much easily. Research does suggest that people who have eczema or psoriasis have fewer ceramides in their skin. So what are ceramides? They're made up of long-chain fatty acids that link with other important molecules to promote cellular function, which creates a barrier to prevent permeability. So what does this all mean? This means it locks the moisture into your skin to help prevent dryness and irritation, to prevent moisture from escaping. As we're exposed to the cold wintry air, ceramide is the key to help protect your epidermis from environmental damage. Locking moisture minimizes the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. We as humans naturally are made up of ceramides, if you didn't know, but these fatty acids are lost over time, which can result in dull and dry and sensitive skin. So if you supplement your skin with this ingredient on a daily basis as a last step at night or in the morning right before sunscreen, it'll work really well at trapping the moisture. You can see from the clinical results on the screen of how much water was retained in the skin after applying the nutrition cream. So this Atomy, the Fame Nutrition Cream, for 50 milliliters, you get all this for just $21 in US dollars. How many PVs? 11,700 PV. Oh my goodness. I get super excited when I talk about points, PV, because you're getting compensated. You're getting back for what you use on a daily basis. Come on, right? For this cream, it's called Atomy Hydra Brightening Cream, as you can see here. Okay, for this cream, it has the keyword Hydra plus brightening. So Hydra, it literally means water. Hydra is a Greek root that means water. water plus brightening effect. So this cream focuses on delivering weightless hydration with vibrant and radiant skin appearance. Woo! I highly recommend this Hydra Brightening Cream for oily skin. And I'm sure some of our oily skin type members are going, do we have to use creams? Is it necessary? Because I always talk about this all the time too. It is really not necessary to use creams for oily skin because it can be a bit too heavy most of the time. But even for oily skin, they might have certain amount of oil that is naturally produced by the skin, but they're also dehydrated on the inner layers of the skin, which can cause more clogging of the pores and even breakouts from dryness. So when we say oily skin, what do we exactly mean? It has to do with sebum production. They have overproduction of sebum. Sebum plays an important role in retaining moisture in the surface of the skin cells, but by itself, it may not be adequate without a humectant, which helps keep water from evaporating. We need both oil moisture and water moisture. Oil and water are two different things, as our skin needs both to be healthy, to have healthy skin. But this means oily skin, they might have overproduction of oil, but needs water. Okay, they lack water. I'm sure some of you still might say, well, Julie, wouldn't creams be too heavy even in the winter times? Do I really need to apply like I don't feel dry? I want to ask you this. Why do we wear heavy coats during winter? Some of you might be going, I don't like the feeling of stickiness. I don't like the texture very much. I want to ask you this. Why do you have heavy blankets during winter times? I want you to think about that for a moment. It might be too heavy and uncomfortable at times to apply these creams, but we really have to focus on applying creams in the winter to retain the moisture and to relieve stress of the skin. And sometimes oily skin, it's very difficult. It can be very tricky. As too little water, your skin can become dehydrated. And adding oil to the creams, if you add too much, it can become extra greasy and blemish prone. This is why I highly recommend At-To-Me's Hydra Brightening Cream, and I love using this during the summertime, but also during the winter time, because it's formulated in a way where it's so light and not sticky, but it has fast absorption to help replenish your skin's natural moisture balance. And I've been noticing that as I applied this, I have less blackheads and whiteheads as my oil and water moistures are balanced, but also it's hydrating. And on top of that, my skin tone is brighter. I can see the visual difference. Not only is it hydrating, but also it is rich in antioxidant as it contains vitamin B12. And you can see all the pinky color over here because the natural color for the vitamin B12 is pink. My favorite color. Woohoo! This is high in antioxidant effect, also a strong barrier for the skin. Also, it completes the care for a strong skin barrier. As you can see here, this antioxidant, it protects the skin from free radicals, repairs cell damage, and other benefits such as increased skin immunity, getting all the nutrients that you need, and more. So, for those who have mature skin, I know a lot of you might assume that, Hydra Brightening Set and Hydra Brightening Cream might be for the younger generation, those who are in their 20s and 30s. But even for those who have mature skin, 40 years and beyond, you can still go for this. Okay, if you have oily skin, because most of the time mature skin lacks oil. But if you tend to have oily skin, if you're on the oilier side, instead of going for the Absolute Nutrition Cream and the Fame Nutrition Cream, which can be a little bit too rich for you, you can really use this on a daily basis because you still get that hydration that you need, but also the anti-aging functions that you're longing for. If you take a look at our Hydra Brightening Cream, the very first ingredient is birch tree sap. Did you know that Korean beauty praises birch tree sap? Okay, Korean beauty industry, they use this ingredient in many various ways. Why? Because it has the ability to reduce inflammation, especially for acne skin, which oily skin, they tend to have acne skin because of the clogging of the pores and the blackheads and the whiteheads, etc. This also purifies the skin, it hydrates the skin. It's rich in amino acids, minerals, enzymes, proteins, antioxidants, of course, vitamins. These are just beneficial for your skin. Another naturally derived ingredient is sea buckthorn extract. It's really great for brightening of the skin tone. It repairs oxidative damage, has wonderful healing properties, healing benefits. Of course, it hydrates the skin, promotes the formations of collagen, which we all need as we get older. Okay, this is essential for youthful skin. Okay, it'll be your loss if you don't try this. Okay, and guess what? This is actually 60 milliliters. And for all this, how much is it? $23. Yeah, no extra zeros, just $23. How many PVs? 13,000 PV. That's a lot of PV for a cream. So I hope you give this product a try, and not only this, but if it fits you, if it suits your skin type, then yes, you're more than welcome to try this. But if you have dry skin, if you're looking for intensive de-aging properties, then yes, feel free to try those other creams that I mentioned today. But overall, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope that it helped you to gain new information about our creams and how to survive this winter season. So I'll see you next time. Bye, Atomians!